Okay guys, sorry to have to announce this, but Monterey is a no-go.
Billy doesn't care about anything. He's a nihilist.
Oh, that must be exhausting.
There's still a possibility, but it's a no-go. Yeah, I was lied to, and at the last minute, buddy didn't come through. And I'm really sorry. I was really hoping to go, and I thought everything was set and ready to go, and it just, due to, well, I'm not gonna say because I'm trying to keep this channel positive and no negativity, so I'm not gonna tell you what happened, but it's no good. I'm not feeling well, and I'm really sorry because I really wanted to bring you guys some Monterey content. I'm gonna try my best to get there. There's still a possibility, but it's not looking good at this moment. So I think the plan will be to go do Dream Drive in Connecticut, and then I'll just come up with a bulletproof plan for next year so I don't have to rely on anybody and just go so I can bring you guys Monterey content. I really feel like I let you guys down. I'm so sorry. Out of my hands, and it was due to someone else, but I just feel like I let you guys down. I'm really not feeling well, so I thought I'd bring you guys this video with a mixture of different stuff. So I'm really sorry. Maybe it might work out, but I'm not keeping my hopes up because I pretty much don't have any hope left anymore. So no, it's the Golden Eye.
It takes a long time.
Okay guys, so we have the 1 of 10 first to be delivered Vanquish Golden Eye again, but I'm not going to keep shooting the same car over and over.
Complex. I mean, it's not just, it might not be just such a simple, you know?
But because of how beautiful and how special it is, I thought I would show you guys again. So yeah, love the spec. It's got the gold calipers, silver wheels, the green interior, and it's 1 of 10 because it's a Golden Eye. So super good.
Haven't seen this car in years. Full Novitec engine. God damn. Built by Toys Auto Art too. Got back from Goodwood.
So F12.
Looks so good, buddy.
Just waiting for my buddy and we are going up to FAF Reserve, Ferrari, and McLaren today. Now, do I usually go to the dealers during the summer? No.
Life does not stop and start at your convenience, you miserable piece of shit.
I figure
I do have a friend visiting from Vancouver, and he wants to see FAF Reserve and all the dealers, so we're gonna bring him up. I don't know if I'm actually gonna vlog from there or what. If there's some crazy new stuff, maybe I will, or if we see something, I'll vlog from up there, but I'm not gonna keep getting the same cars over and over and over again. Mentor Adam are going to Top Marks in Monaco next year, so you're gonna want to stay tuned for that. Okay guys, look at this wide body E46 M3. That is stunning. It's like it's a GT3 kit. That is so sick. So we're gonna head inside. I'm gonna show my friends from Vancouver FAF Reserve, but I had to come out to see that because holy balls. Hey guys, we know this car from Drive Fest, the Novitec N-Largo. Full wide body from Novitec with the exhaust. This thing's a monster. Yeah, you guys know this car from my channel. Got the Wyra Roadster that we've seen like 50 million times, but it's always nice to see it. With like, I think it's a GT3 kit, because look at the vents. Look at the interior, it's full roll cage, manual. This is absolutely insane. I'm gonna come back and shoot it with my big lens so I get some good content with it, but wow. Okay guys, we have a 620R, so basically a GT4 McLaren for the street. That's pretty sick. You can see by the big wing, the roof scoop is sick. But this, yeah, 750 LM, 1 of 50 to celebrate 25 years. Okay guys, this LaFerrari has like followed me my whole car spotting career. Saw it twice in the wild, saw it at the Dare to Dream collection, now I saw it here, so pretty sick. Good spec. Oh, it's Perry. Good, you're good, man, you're good. Still looks good. Big wing gang. And Civic Type R. Yeah, those must be homies. We know this car from Yorkville, you guys. Sounds good. Okay guys, just got back from FAF Reserve and Ferrari, so my friend from Vancouver had a good time, got to see some cool stuff, but I'm chilling in the shade. It's way too hot to be shooting anything right now.
You have got to buck up, man. You cannot drag this negative energy into the tournament.
the tournament. You, Walter.
Let me catch my bearings. I've been up early, so I'm just a little tired right now, and so hopefully we'll see something. It's Monday or no, it's Tuesday. So you never know. Something might come out, might not, but we've been seeing some good stuff. So, okay guys. Hey, buddy.
yeah, I had to stop and check out this like perfectly spec Ferrari 458, the naturally aspirated V8 Ferrari, which to me is one of the, still the best Ferraris on the market. It's a Spider, red Corsa. Yeah, that's such a good spec. Yeah, with those silver wheels, I know it's resale red Corsa, but when this thing gets going with its naturally aspirated V8, there's just no better sound on the planet.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I just wanted to stop and see it because we got it coming in, and I shot it, so I got some B-roll of it. But yeah, you guys, drop a like if you like 458s, and drop a comment telling me how much you love the car, like I do. Okay. Which V12 are you guys taking? The 4-door V12 Ferrari Pearl Sangue or the Revuelto? Tell me in the comments which one you guys would choose out of the two. Okay guys, this is absolutely insane. This is a Turbo 50 limited series, exclusive series Porsche Turbo 992. They're pretty goddamn rare. We saw a Tech Art one in Montreal, but this is insane. I'm gonna shoot this because that's beautiful.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all.
Oh, I got stuck behind a car. This thing's got a... Oh!
Oh, it's bad.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's sick. Look at the arrow. Look how aggressive this thing is.
That's what she said.
Oh my God. Wow. What? The carbon flicks. Manual. TA, as you can see on the there. This thing is a weapon. Side exit exhaust on a manual V10 ACR Viper TA. This is so good. So rare too. And like I said, you guys, it won Le Mans. I forget what year. I think it was 2010. I can't remember for sure. I have to look it up. But this won Le Mans the first time it came out. So, and the TA celebrates that. So you're not gonna see these every day. So sick. So sick. Dude, that is so nice. That is so sick. Dude, that is so sick. Damn, look at this 765. I don't know what color that is, but that's sick. So we got the boys, and then this is new, and that's really nice. Dude, that's
Okay, guys. I think I'm going to end the vlog on this SEC 765 Spec Nardo Orange. And I always say...
Now that is just ridiculous, dude. No one's going to cut your dick off.
Thank you, Walter.
Not if I have anything to say about it.
Thank you, Walter. That makes me feel very secure.
Dude.
That makes me feel very warm inside.
Dude.
I don't say that. Wait, what? Oh, right. This is what I say at the end of every vlog.